Hello, Brickabee Lake Park fans. The the Going Overboard series is continuing. We're on series 5 now. Part 5 of the unboxing. There's 7 of them to unbox today. There's 3 from Walmart, 1 from Amazon, and 3 from Lego. And I don't remember what I ordered. So here we go. Let's just get started. We'll see what we got. Batman minifig, mystery bag. Picked that up just because, well, it might not be Batman, I don't know. Is it some sort of Marvel, no, DC CMF. Here we go. Number 2. The Batman Technic motorcycle. Got it for a really good deal. Couldn't pass it up. Okay. Boom. Moving on. Bigger box from Walmart. Oh, this one's awesome. This one's awesome. This was a 3-in-1. The 3-in-1 comes with Batman versus the Joker gift set, but it's got 3 different sets built into one. Got some good minifigs. You get Batman, Joker, another Batman, another Joker, and another Batman. Because, well, you get those with the set. But Batwing, Batmobile, and I don't know, a stand maybe? I don't know. Yeah, a little poly bag type thing and 2 other good sets. So that's pretty cool. I love it. Do you like me some Batman? Alright, moving on to the Amazon. This one I pre-opened. Because I got it this morning and I've had it all day, so I was, bored at work at some point. This is the Mold King water slide. So I feel like that's going to be a good addition to the amusement park. That should work out and, try to put it in a water section or something. We'll see what goes on with that. All right, already running out of room. Now for the 3 Lego. The 3 Lego are in the same size box, so I don't know. I don't feel like I ordered 3 things. Okay. First one, I got the Happy Plants. I had to have them. They are so good looking. They're fun. I can't wait to have them hanging out in the house. Bam. There we go. Number 2 of the Lego. Second to last box. Oh, this one's a couple things. I don't know what all is. Oh, okay. All right. Harley Quinn keychain. I ordered that so that I could get, I don't know, some kind of thing. I believe it might be this. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Oh, this is the ice pop tray. Or the LCE lolly tray. So I can make popsicles. Minifig popsicles. How cool is that? That's kind of neat. Not the biggest fan of popsicles, but somebody is, and they're going to enjoy it. switch. Getting that. And then I also got the African Savannah diorama. That came with getting some of the other sets. Those ones haven't come yet, so guess there's still more haul videos to shoot. I almost thought we were done with this, but no, we're gonna keep going. I kind of went a little overboard, but amazing deal. So not crazy overboard. And this one last. I got another set of happy plants because, well, I could use a lot more happy in my life. So here we go. Boom. There's all the sets. Good times. Good times. Wow, that's fantastic. What a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.